So how's it going, everybody? I got all the parts I needed painted and the right adapters in to get the bed rack in finally. I'm excited. It's been, I think, about a few weeks now, but anyways, yeah, I've been a little bit busy. I was out of town for a little bit, and when I got back I got sick, so I haven't been able to do much, but now I'm about 99% and ready to install these bed racks. So let's get to it. But first, let's check out this video of when I first got the adapters. I just got my adapters in, the adapters that actually work on my truck. I'm gonna get them installed. Well, first I'm gonna get them painted. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that, but I'm gonna paint them to have them match the bed racks the way I painted them with the Plasti Dip. And but once I get all that done, once they're dry, ready to go, I'll go ahead and show you the install of the bed racks and how the truck looks. Here are the adapters I needed for my 3rd gen Tacoma. These will fit 2016 and up. And so yeah, if you remember the other ones, these look a little bit different. But yeah, almost did not get these at all. I ordered them and I found out that they are no longer manufactured. So I actually had to order a different kit. These are just the 8 that I needed. The other pieces are somewhere else. But the kit I ordered has 10 and a couple other parts I don't need. It's for a different track rack, bed rack system, whatever. So yeah, I had to pay a little bit more to get 10 and a couple other parts I didn't need, but that's the only way around it. And luckily, I got what I needed before they were completely sold out everywhere. Next thing to do is get them painted to match the bed rack. As soon as I get that done, probably tomorrow, 'cause it's been raining on and off today. But as soon as I get these painted, I'll go ahead and show you the install of the bed racks. Alright, so here are all the parts. As you can see, they're nicely painted. And the hardware, I left it up there. And these are the old adapters that don't work for my 3rd gen. Don't need these anymore. Not sure what I'll do with these, but I got them. Anyways, time to get started. So I went ahead and installed the track rack. The rack system on Tacoma comes with these hooks when I bought the truck. Hadn't put them on yet, so I went ahead and put them on now, because once I put the track rack on, I won't be able to put them on unless I take it off. So halfway there, just need to put the other, rack on, and we're done. Okay, so these bolts did work last time on the old truck, but you know, the bolts were a little bit long to begin with. As you can see, I'm already pretty much gonna hit the rail, and that's where I need to be, but I'm having issues tightening it because the bolt is hitting the side of the bed. And as you can see over here, I guess I left a little bit of a scratch. So not an issue. I was just gonna try to get it tightened down the way it is now, but why fight the struggle? I'm gonna go get some shorter bolts and just make it easier on myself. So I'll be back in a little bit. It never fails that I gotta go to the store in the middle of a project. Just like this project, gotta go to Home Depot. But that's alright, because now I get to drive my M3, which I haven't driven today. So, I'm excited about that, because every time I drive this car, it just puts a smile on my face. You'll see why. You get to hear that beautiful engine. Smile on my face. Alright, so I got the racks on, everything's good, finally. Just got a couple more little hardware and end caps put on, and we're all done. Alright, so there she is. With the racks on and everything. Finally, took a lot longer than I expected, but it's on. So I'll have to show you guys a little bit later, because for now I'm all out of sunlight. But yeah, so wait for tomorrow. When the sun's back up, I'll show you what the truck ends up looking like. So in case you guys wanted a little bit of I guess a close-up shot of how these adapters work, you can see here's the frame of the bed racks, and here's the adapters, and they slide in to the track system, as you can see there. And then there's a bolt on the bottom right here, that's the one I had to replace, that you screw down, and it kind of clamps this adapter. It kind of forces the adapter down that way. So just a little bit of a close-up of how the adapters look, in case you guys were wondering. And like I said, I also put the I don't know what they're called, but these hooks that go on the track system for the track for the Tacomas, went ahead and got those put on, because if I didn't do it now, then I would have to take off this track rack in order to get them on. So I put both of them on, because why not? I was thinking about putting one right here in the middle of the adapters, but I didn't. I might end up doing that later. Alright, so here's what the truck looks like with the track racks on. So here's from this side, let me show you from the other side. So here's what the truck looks like with the track racks on. And I don't remember it sticking up so high above the I guess the cabin, but I don't really remember. You know, these were on my old truck, and I don't remember exactly if they're that as high, but they should be, because I think the truck dimensions are almost identical. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that alert button, because my next video there's gonna be a major facelift to this truck. I'm excited, can't wait to get it done. And yeah, and then I think maybe about a week from now or so, I'm going to be, I guess, really testing out the four-wheel drive capability of this truck and going to some off-road trails, so that should be fun. So anyways, check y'all later.